We'll be catching Pokemon in New York City. No one lived alive.
Hello, 156 401 is getting ready to depart with the 0942 East Midlands Railway services Leicester. Hello and welcome back to another video by East Midlands Railway. Hello and welcome back to another video by me, East Midlands Railway fan. And today, we are Beeston, situated on the Midland Main Line. We'll be seeing services from East Midlands Railway, cross country, and hopefully some freight as well. Hey, I'm also joined by him.
Assistant Sergeant Ulu.
Yeah, I like how I'm with him. The next up is the 0944 East Midlands Railway service on the depart.
You almost said London, the factory.
I know. Nottingham.
Did I want to say?
Whoa. Yep. Well, then we've got HSTs on the train simulator.
Yeah. And also, let's not forget, Scotland. What we got?
Oh, we have Scotland dying.
Remember how I just typed in all caps Scottishness intensifies yesterday?
Yeah, but I had no idea why you said it.
I was referring to the ScotRail HSTs.
I thought we weren't going to get withdrawn.
They're not, for a while.
Passing through shortly should be on...
Hang on!
But...
That's an Atlante!
That's an Atlante. Yeah, that's definitely an Atlante.
We are sorry that with 0948 East Midlands
180-113. Even. Incoming now, we
have an East Midlands Railway service. No, it's just a Meridian. We have an East Midlands Railway service from London.
Incoming now, we receive a late running 0948 East Midlands Railway service to...
Is that a Pioneer?
Service to Nottingham.
I think that's 101. This will be the study that going 0948 to Nottingham from London Campus.
Her light's coming from Nottingham as well.
Okay, cool. I think this is a pilot. I think this is 101.
You're on for the 0948 East Midlands Railway service to
Nottingham.
Yeah, this 101.
Nottingham only. This train is formed...
122-101.
First class accommodation is towards the rear of the train. Bicycle spaces are at the very front. Please don't face the road.
I'm passing through now. It's the late running 0945 East Midlands Railway service to London 6 Hampshire. Double 005. I've got the 0948 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham.
Well, maybe the passengers, it's only 4 coaches.
It's not a shot, it's not a toll.
The spread of coronavirus.
It's a 50!
And to keep our passengers and colleagues safe.
Incoming now, Mississippi. 176.39. I wasn't expecting a Hoover either. I think that's
Leicester, isn't it?
Yeah!
I shall take that.
The 09:37 cross country service to Nottingham. Passing through shortlisted is an East Midlands Railway service from London to Pancras to Nottingham.
Hey look, you can actually see the Applepie Bridge from over here. Like legit, you can see the bridge at Edinburgh.
Meridian.
Looks like it. Yep, that's Meridian. Yeah, that's definitely a Meridian.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, passing by now will have an East Midlands Railway service from London and Pancras to Nottingham. Yeah, as that comes up the hill. Bird.
Bird. Yes, thank you, bird.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand well
appears to be
clear
car
of the edge of
posters.
platform 1.
Yeah, that does appear to be a 5-car Meridian. Unless another pioneer can refer to the EMR City Brothers. Yep, 5 cars.
Triple K!
014.
Triple 2014 on the St Pancras to Nottingham service. We'll have 2 trains.
And the 1013 was going to Nottingham to Birmingham.
Incoming now receive a 10:13 cross country service to Birmingham.
Yeah, so.
And then incoming now receive a 10:12 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln. Even though I think we're not going to get the number of the 156.
I probably will.
Well, probably will, but from the looks of...
Platform 2 of the
They don't-
1013 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street, calling at Long Eaton, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Tamworth, Wilnecote and Birmingham New Street. This train is calling off Lincoln.
17638. Get ready for now the 10:12 cross country service to Birmingham New Street. One of 6 forwards have taken away the 10:12 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln.
Or if we're being technical, Lincoln Central. Even though Lincoln doesn't have a...
Incoming now receive a 10:18 East Midlands Railway service to London to Pancras, 180-113.
On the train and at our stations. Together, we can keep each other safe while we travel and work. Remember that some people may be exempt and not every disability or condition is visible.
third part now will be the 10:18 East Midlands Railway service to London to Frankfurt. After being deafened by the brakes bill and the door alarm, it's departing.
It's absolutely balmy, that's way too loud. That's not lovely, you could have got my water.
Oh, let's make a meme. You'll be going nowhere.
Yeah.
Because what we film recording? Oh wait, an Adelante.
Yeah. Another thing I don't get with these things. Why the hell is first class in coach 4? That just seems a bit weird to me.
Choo-choo, please.
Nope.
Wait, what? This one is going somewhere. Oh wait, it's London to Frankfurt. Incoming now, we have an East Midlands Railway service from... Incoming now, we see the 10:22 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock from Newark.
Long Eaton,
It's not 408.
Duffield, Belper,
Obviously high.
Amberley,
470.
Cromford, Matlock Bar, and Matlock. This train is
Yeah,
formed
this is
of
156,
two
156,470.
Face covering on board the train unless exempt. In case of
And now it's the 10:22 East Midlands Railway service to guess where?
Welcome and thank you for travelling.
Yes,
with us.
Matlock.
Please make every effort to maintain
Dinard.
by following these rules. Number 1. Do not travel if you have any coronavirus.
Can you see headlight?
Yes, I can. This should be that turbo start.
Passing through shortly should be an East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to
Nottingham and Lincoln.
Nottingham and Lincoln.
COVID-19.
And this would be an
I
ECF.
mean, it's either that or
Other
Lincoln.
useful information about
Actually, wait, no,
travelling
this
with
is
us
going to
during
Lincoln.
this
This is going through to Lincoln.
Oh, because it's most probably going to do a stop to make sure the
The train now
platform.
approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform
Yep, that's definitely a Tubby store.
Let's see what unit this is. 418 is my guess.
Zoom in and find out.
I can't tell from here.
Of course, the writing's too small.
Oh, it looks like it's going to go for a stop.
That is stopping.
Yeah, it's still not in revenue service though.
So incoming now we see BCS from, and it's apparently it's going to
That's
Doncaster.
416.
And it's 174.16. This is definitely a stop.
Yeah, it just says Donny on it.
You've got to love how it says Doncaster. And
Yeah. Places on the East Midlands Railway network doesn't say Donny.
Doncaster. No, it's departing. It.
It's after a quick simulation the traffic is on.
Goodbye Turbo Store 17416. And then
This is brilliant because it allows us to see some trains. It allows us to see more trains. Isn't it?
Yep.
Edge of platform 2.
So after the Turbo Star should be an incoming tug. Unless it's a shed.
well, we know it's not going to be 66793.
Yeah, because this is.
Passing through now is
Now we have a DB Cargo UK Class 60 running from Lindsay to Kingsbury.
Passing through now is a DV Cargo UK service from
Lindsay to Kingsbury.
Lindsay to Kingsbury.
This is worked by some kind of tug.
60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60.
It's not that.
Imagine if it was 67, 60. Following now is the 1041 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester.
This train
This
is
is the train we
called
caught an hour, just an hour
First
later.
class accommodation
Earlier.
across the front
Yeah, an hour
of
earlier. Duh, you fucking
bicycle
idiot.
spaces
This will
are
also be our last train here.
Please wear your face
Incoming now we see the 1041 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester 156.
This is what about 156. Probably a dash 9.
Well, it's not 405.
and 1041
It could be
East
406.
Midlands Railway service to Leicester. Calling it East Midlands
902.
Railway. Not
156 902. This just so happens to be 402. And incoming now we see the late one in 1044 East Midlands Railway. Ow! You really had to deafen us, didn't you, Mr. 156? Incoming now we see the 1044 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. And as this comes in, I shall leave it there. Thank you ever so much for watching. Be sure you do what YouTube is telling you to do. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more future content. 222-020. So I shall see you next at Nottingham. So take care. See you.